Feeling trapped by your credit card debt? Like you're playing a game where the rules are designed for you to lose? I'm Adam Bakar. As an ex-banker, I know those rules. I know their playbook. And today, I'm not just going to show you how to play the game, I'm going to give you the plan to completely demolish it. This is the Credit Card Debt Demolition Plan. Chapter 1. The Bank's Trap. First, understand the trap. It's built around one of the bank's most powerful tools, the minimum payment. It feels helpful, right? A small payment to keep you going. But it's a financial treadmill. You run and run, paying interest on top of interest, while your debt barely shrinks. This is how they keep you paying, month after month, year after year. It's their secret weapon for profit. But every trap has a weak point, and we're about to exploit it. Chapter 2. The Demolition Plan. Our plan has 3 powerful steps. Step 1. Ceasefire. The first rule of getting out of a hole is to stop digging. Effective immediately, you stop using your credit cards for any non-essential purchases. Take the cards out of your wallet. The physical separation is crucial. This isn't punishment. It's the first act of taking back control. Step 2. Know your enemy. You can't fight what you can't see. Grab a piece of paper or open a spreadsheet. We're creating your battle map. List every credit card you have. Write down the total balance you owe, and next to it, the interest rate, the APR. Be honest. This moment of clarity is your most powerful weapon. Step 3. The Debt Snowball Offensive. This is where we attack. Look at your battle map and find the card with the smallest balance. Forget the interest rates for a moment. You're going to throw every extra dollar you have at destroying that smallest debt while making minimum payments on the others. Once it's paid off, you take that entire payment amount and add it to the payment for the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball of momentum. Each victory fuels the next, making you feel stronger and more motivated. This isn't just about math, it's about psychological warfare, and you are going to win. Chapter 3. Your Path to Freedom. As you demolish each debt one by one, you'll feel something more powerful than just financial relief. You'll feel the weight lifting. The stress is disappearing. That is the feeling of control, the feeling of freedom. It's the power to make choices, not because you have to, but because you want to. The power is returning to your hands. The demolition plan is your key. Start today. Start with step 1. If you're ready to master your money and secure your future, subscribe to the Ex-Banker's Guide. Join this mission with us, and in the comments below tell me, which debt are you going to demolish first? Let's begin.